Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about PocketTube Error Code 15. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to watch videos using the PocketTube app on iPad or Android devices, but are unable to view any videos at all. According to our research, the error is not directly caused by the PocketTube app but comes from YouTube. It seems to happen when certain videos cannot be embedded into external sites or apps, which prevents them from playing inside PocketTube. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to tap on the video title under the video in the PocketTube app. This will redirect you to the YouTube app where the video can be played. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of the PocketTube app. A new version 2.1.22 is available for Android, which includes a workaround for the error. At last, if the error still persists, then the issue might be because of a recent YouTube update that affects external video playback. In this case, you will need to wait until a fix is provided by the PocketTube team. Meanwhile, continue using the YouTube app to watch the videos. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.